Welcome back to IPR Uncovered. IP as shown in Shark Tank India. This is the show where we get down to the business of the business. We analyze the bold asks, the heated debates, and the crucial role of intellectual property. Today, we are talking about a pitch that aimed to solve one of India's biggest problems, food waste. We are talking about Cuisance Labs. The pitch, a fresh approach to produce. The founders of Cuisance Labs stepped into the tank with a pitch that promised to revolutionize the way we assess the quality of fruits and vegetables. Their invention, a portable machine based on Q-Scan technology, was designed to use a combination of spectroscopy, infrared, and artificial olfaction to non-destructively determine the ripeness, internal spoilage, and shelf life of fresh produce. It was a pitch that focused on efficiency, sustainability, and a significant reduction in the 92,000 crore rupees worth of food waste in India. The founders' pitch focused on their B2B business model, targeting wholesalers and retailers in the food industry. They were selling a solution that eliminated human error and guesswork, allowing businesses to optimize their supply chain and increase their margins. The ask? A very confident 1 crore rupees for just 0.25% equity, which valued the company at a staggering 400 crores rupees. This valuation was a testament to their belief in the product's unique technology and its potential to disrupt the massive agriculture and food industries. IPR Uncovered, protecting the senses. Now, let's get to the most critical part of this analysis, their intellectual property. For a hardware and software startup like Cuisance Labs, IP is its most valuable asset. The founders were very clear that they had patents granted for their QSCAN technology in India. The core of their IP is their unique technology that combines infrared spectroscopy and artificial olfaction. A patent on this technology gives Cuisance Labs a legal monopoly on their invention for a set period. This prevents competitors from reverse engineering their product and selling a similar device. This is a crucial defensible moat that justifies their valuation and gives the sharks confidence that they're investing in a unique, protected technology, not just a product that could be easily replicated. Additionally, their brand name, Cuisance Labs, is protected by a trademark, which prevents brand confusion in the market. The combination of strong patents and trademarks shows that the founders are not just building a product, but a valuable, defensible brand. The outcome, a sore note. Despite the innovative concept, granted patents, and a compelling pitch, the founders of Cuisance Labs ultimately left the tank without a deal. The no-deal outcome was likely due to a few key reasons. First, the valuation was too high. Ashneer Grover and other sharks felt that the 400 crore rupees valuation was not justified by the company's current sales figures of just 15 lakhs rupees. The sharks, known for their sharp business acumen, found the valuation to be out of sync with the reality of the business's current stage. Second, the sharks had concerns about the business model's clarity. They were not convinced that the founders had a clear path to scale their operations and secure large contracts with major retailers. The combination of a high valuation and a lack of clear business strategy led to a no-deal. Closing note. The story of Cuisance Labs is a powerful reminder that while an innovative, patented product is a great starting point, a startup must also have a clear, scalable business model, a strong IP strategy, and a realistic valuation to succeed in the tank. What did you think of the Cuisance Labs pitch? Do you think the sharks missed out on a golden opportunity, or was their assessment of the business on point? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might be interested in the future of IPR. Because in a world full of ideas, the real game is in owning and protecting them. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay smart, and see you in the next video.